You can create full AI character animations like this, using AI. Same character across different scenes, all animated. Check this out.
It's quiet today. Too quiet. Just snow and my thoughts. Wait, these tracks aren't mine. Something small passed through here. Thought I heard something. Yeah, there you are. I'm not here to hurt you. Take your time. Guess we're walking together now.
In this video, I'll show you how to generate a consistent character, build your story with scene prompts, create all your images, and then animate everything step by step. By the way, I'm doing everything on Weavy, so instead of jumping between different platforms, it gives you access to every AI model in one place, such as Nano, Banana Pro, Kling, everything you need, so you don't have to keep switching between websites. I'll leave the link in the description down below so you can check it out. First things first, head over to Weavy, create a new file, and you'll see this blank canvas staring back at you. Right-click anywhere on it and select Prompt. This will open up your prompt box. Now, right-click again and search for Nano Banana Pro. Click on it to open the Nano Banana Pro box. You'll need to connect your prompt box to the Nano Banana Pro box. Just drag a line between them. Super simple. Before you generate anything, go into Settings and set your aspect ratio to 16.9. If you're planning to post this as a YouTube short or Instagram reel, switch it to 9:16 instead. You can also set the resolution all the way up to 4K. Now paste your character prompt into the prompt box. Mine is this. Basically, a muscular Viking warrior wearing fur-lined shoulders in a snowy environment with soft cinematic lighting, Pixar-style textures. Hit run and let it cook. You can generate your character prompts on ChatGPT. Next up, head over to this custom GPT. Link is in the description. Upload the image of your character and then ask it to generate a few story ideas for you. Keep it simple, maybe 5 to 6 scenes max for your first try. Select the story, then it'll generate scene prompts with camera angles included. This is crucial because it helps maintain cinematic flow. Or if you already have a rough story in mind, type it out and it'll generate prompts for each scene, which you can then use to create the scene images. Go back to Weavy and open both the prompt box and Nano Banana Pro box again. Connect them and keep that aspect ratio at 16.9. Make sure to connect your character to Nano Banana Pro as the reference image, so it knows this is the character. Copy your first scene prompt from Custom GPT, paste it into the prompt box, and hit run. You'll get something like this. Now let's generate a close-up of our character where it looks like he's focused or being thoughtful. Type what you want the character to do in the custom GPT and it'll give you the prompt that's suitable for the scene. Now back to Weavy. You can even select both the prompt box and Nano Banana Pro box and press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate them. Make sure to connect the character again so it gets an idea of your character. Paste in your prompt and click run. This close-up angle looks sick. Next, we need a top-down shot where it's a POV of the Viking looking down at the ground to check the animal footprints. So generate the scene prompt from Custom GPT and come back to Weavy. Open the prompt and Nano Banana Pro box and paste it inside the prompt box. Connect your first scene so it knows the location and how your character looks, and click Run. The footwear looks exactly the same. The reason we connected the first scene image and not the character image is because we're not really generating something near the face. We wanted to generate the snowy ground. Next, we need to generate the wolf cub. So, we generate the scene from the same chat in Custom GPT and make sure to connect our first scene so the AI has an idea of the location and the character style we're going for. Okay, now it's generated. The wolf cub looks cute. Let's generate a scene where the Viking is approaching the wolf cub. So generate the scene prompt. Go back to Weavy. Open a new prompt and Nano Banana Pro box. Connect the Viking character and the wolf cub scene so the characters and the location stay consistent. Okay, this looks perfect. Both the Viking and the cub look the same. Now we need to generate a scene where both of them are walking. So generate the scene prompt from Custom GPT, then back to Weavy. Open the prompt box and Nano Banana Pro box and connect the scene where you generated the Viking trying to approach the wolf cub, because we can clearly see both characters, making it easier for Nano Banana Pro to understand and generate accordingly. Repeat this for all your scenes. Now that we've mastered the image generation part, let's move on to animating those images. Right-click on your canvas and search for Kling. Choose Kling Video. Kling is the best when it comes to animating images. It doesn't have weird restrictions like Veo 3.1 and Sora 2, and it's way cheaper than both. First, set the model to 2.6, which is the latest version of Kling. Connect it to your first scene, open a prompt box, and connect it to the Kling box. Now we need a prompt to animate the scene. What I do is download the first scene and upload it to this custom GPT. What this custom GPT does is give you Kling 2.6 optimized prompts to animate your scene. Link is in the description. You can upload the first scene you just downloaded and send it, or you can describe what kind of animation you want, and the custom GPT will generate the prompts accordingly. After that, copy the prompt and take it back to Weavy and paste it inside the prompt box. So the first scene is the Viking walking. Pretty simple, nothing complicated. For scenes where you need more control, like transitioning from a close-up of the Viking's face to a POV shot of the snowy ground, you'll want to use Kling's first frame and last frame feature. Search for Kling again, but this time, select Kling first frame, last frame. Set the model to 2.5 for this one. Upload your starting frame and your ending frame to the custom GPT. Explain the type of animation you want. Let's say I want the camera to rotate from his face to his legs, and it'll generate you the animation prompt. Now go back to Weavy and paste in the prompt, and Kling will create the transition between them. Do this for any scene where you need specific movement, like going from a POV looking down to seeing the wolf cub. Once all your animations are done, head to 11 Labs for the narration. You can write your own script, or honestly just go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a narration script based on your story. I prefer getting ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting here. In 11 Labs, go to the Voices tab and browse through the options. Since this is a Viking story, I picked a middle-aged, slightly hoarse voice. Think self-narration style, like the Viking is telling his own tale. Find whatever voice fits your vibe and generate the voiceover. Last step, sound effects. You'll want things like footsteps crunching in snow, wind howling, maybe an axe hitting the ground. 11 Labs has a sound effects generator you can use, or you can grab royalty-free sounds from sites like Pixabay or Epidemic Sound. Layer everything together in your video editor, match the audio to the animations, and boom, you've got yourself a cinematic AI animated story. And that's it. You just saw how to create an entire AI character animation from start to finish. If you want to try this out yourself, check out Weavy and that custom GPT I used. Everything's linked in the description below. Let me know what you end up creating with this.